Remember the video I said stop the cap, meaning stop the cap if you buy sneakers over and over and over again, month after month, but you say you can't invest. Remember that video? It's on the screen. Someone sent a great email to me requesting a budgeting ebook, but also they added some really good points I want to touch on. What are 2 additional reasons young adults may not be investing? He gave 2 great ones, anxiety and shame. Both very valid, but also likely not your fault. Anxiety and shame in this context breaks down to 2 different things. I'm scared of the future. I don't understand this. And by this, I mean money, saving, investing. The unknown is scary. It's why we don't like going into the dark. When we hear a weird noise, we don't explore it. No, really, I'm not exploring it. You are absolutely, positively on your own in that horror movie. I'm not doing this. In Gabe Bolt's video, How You Were Programmed to Be Poor, and yeah, he's talking about mostly all of us that went through the school system. Think of the actual school system itself and the curriculum and how it hasn't evolved or updated. We would all get stuck at the exact same point in history year after year after year, and they never actually added in anything practical in terms of personal finance, money management, and certainly not wealth management. You don't know, and you're not alone. People both young and old, they find out about how money works in retirement and compound interest once they're already on their own paying bills. And I know you may feel as if, hey, it's far too late for me to benefit from that. You'd be wrong. Now, the older you are, the less time you have, so you have some restraints there. You have to put in more there, but it's still not too late. So what happens when feeling ashamed and nervous because it's a lot of terms and math and it overwhelms you, kind of like somebody just getting into sneakers and trying to learn all of the different styles and models and colorways? What happens? You do nothing, because overwhelming anxiety and shame can paralyze you. It can freeze you right in your tracks. 2 elements are at play. Number 1, you may feel behind. You look around on social media, which is a bittersweet invention, and you see everyone all around you with things all around them, and you may want those things, and that is very natural to want, but you don't have them. So 1, you already feel behind there. On top of feeling behind, you now also feel ashamed because you don't actually know or understand the path to take so that you are financially doing things at least the smart way to achieve the places you want to go, the things you may want, but other people already have them. So again, you feel behind and you feel ashamed. You don't know how to get there. Hear me out. The good thing is you're not alone. Next thing, we're in the age of information, which is a great thing, but also be aware of misinformation. Sorry to break it to you, most of you are not making a sustainable living reselling sneakers. You also won't 10x your money overnight by placing your funds in regular single stock investments. Everything you know now about sneakers, did you know everything you know now about Jordan Retros and the New Balance 990 series and a Puma Classic, or all of the stories behind these very intricate and detailed collaborations? Difference though, taking the time to learn the basics about personal finance, investing, taking care of future you, it goes much, much farther than a got 'em screen that you're posting on Instagram. If you're on Instagram, you can certainly find me there at talks.with.tj, but I'll also go ahead in the description box of this video, post some of my favorite pages to follow. They break things down in such an amazing way. It's easy to understand, and to be honest, the visuals they add with it, it just really helps bring it all together. As always, if you would like a copy of my free budgeting ebook, it's always free. Just hit my email. It's in the description box of every single video, and I'll get that out to you. If you'd like to see how easy it is to actually set up a Roth IRA retirement account for investing, you can go ahead and check out that video here on the screen. And as always, thank you for tuning in. Act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.